This is Dr. B. Let's take 7% of 1,000. Here's how I think about it. 7%, that percent means per 100. So if I just had 100 here, it would be 7% of 100 would just be 7. But I have an extra zero. So instead of 7, we're going to call it 70. 7% of 1,000, that equals 70. Another way to do it is we have 7% of 100. So that's 7 per 100 instead of multiplication, and we'll call it 1,000 over 1. Still 1,000, but everything lines up now. 7 times 1,000, that's 7,000. And then 100 times 1, that gives us 100. So we divide 7,000 by 100, we get 70, just like we got before. One more way you could do this. You could take 7 divided by 100 and get 0.07, and then multiply that by 1,000, and you get the same answer. This is Dr. B taking 7% of 1,000. The answer is 70. Thanks for watching.